Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Linkvertise and Adfly. Linkvertise and Adfly are link shorteners that users earn money by sharing shortened URLs. Linkvertise is a popular URL shortening service that allows users to earn money by sharing links. They add steps like ads or survey before the final page, helping you earn revenue. Some people find it a bit annoying, but it's trade-off for higher earnings. The payout threshold is lower, around $5, which is nice for those looking to cash out quickly. On the other hand, Adfly is a simple and easy-to-use URL shortening service that lets you earn money by sharing links. The process is fast, and ads can be skipped after a few seconds, making it less intrusive. The payout threshold is also a bit higher, at $5 or $10, depending on how you want to withdraw your earnings. However, the payout rates aren't as high as other link shorteners like Linkvertise. Overall, Linkvertise is better for higher earnings, but Adfly is simpler and more user-friendly. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.